Guys, I'm Shashank Dubey, life coach, NLP trainer, energy healing expert from Big Bang Academy. Welcome to our channel. Today's topic is what is coaching. To understand that, let's start with a very simple question, that what exactly is not coaching. Okay, the first thing comes to mind is therapy. So normally a therapist will work on a particular issue as described by an individual. It will go and heal into that particular past issue and will fix it. Whereas in coaching, we understand there is always a root cause, a underlying behavior beside or beneath the particular said issue. So it is there on that root cause where we try to work as a coach and completely heal the issue so that those results can reflect in future for that particular individual. So next thing that comes to mind is psychotherapist. A psychotherapist will deal with that particular issue with counseling, but he will give or use the aid of a medicine also. While in coaching, we don't suggest any kind of medicine. It's all about a particular questionnaire that we follow. Fourth and the last thing that comes to my mind is mentorship. So a mentor is a person who belongs to that industry, which that person has lot of experience in that particular field. So he is like been there, done that, all those things. We can learn and shape many things from their experience. So generally they are the person whom we can learn from. While a coach is a person you can learn with. They will move with you in a partnership. They may or may not be from the same industry, but this partnership and trust grows with a common goal which is oriented by the individual. Yes, so it brings us to our original question, that what is coaching? So coaching is a human development tool used to maximize an individual's personal and professional growth so that they can be what they can be. So professional coaching is a very different type of approach. Lot of asking questions, not much of telling, not much of answers. Primarily we are focused in tapping into your resourcefulness, focused on you designing your own goals, your own future, and at your pace. They are very thought provoking and inspirational and can be life changing. So that way coaching really works. Yes, so as an individual, many a times we find ourselves in one particular situation. We are doing very well in certain areas of life, but then in couple of areas we find ourselves stuck. We don't know what's happening, how to come out, and what is the way out from this situation. And from that situation we want to go to a desired situation. So this is our present situation. From here we want to go to a desired situation. To name a few, it can be to have a better personality, improving wealth, money issues, better relationships, healthy relationships, better health physically and mentally, and to gain more emotional intelligence. But then there is a huge gap in between my present and desired situation, and on top of this there is a rope in between. So rope is my resistance to bridge this gap. Can be my limiting beliefs, my parental values, my childhood values, but there are resistance in bridging these gaps. Same way there are obstacles, can be money, partnership, any issues here. Okay, there are problems to deal with, personality, orders, time management, family, work-life balance, and eventually we have to evaluate them. Yes, so to counteract this rope, we have an excellent tool in coaching called as NLP, namely stands for Neuro Linguistic Programming. And how this NLP can help you in reaching from your present to your desired situation. Do watch my next video on NLP, which is very knowledgeable and which will explain you this whole process of coaching in NLP. Thank you for watching this video on what is coaching. Keep watching our series of video. Do subscribe and like our channel, and thank you for being here. See you guys.